Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous session, we have integrated SonarQube with the Jenkins, and we have also set up the quality gate and the code coverage. Even though SonarQube report the failure status, as you can see in the simple solar system. However, the Jenkins still saying it is green. So now let us see how we can mark this stage failed when SonarQube report these certain conditions are not met. So for that we have to set up the webhook in the SonarQube for the Jenkins, and we will also refactor the Jenkins pipeline that we have already seen. Okay, so now let me go to the Jenkins, and here to access the webhook we can type SonarQube webhook. So this is the API which Jenkins uses. So we will be configuring it in the SonarQube so that the quality gate will report back the status to Jenkins, and based on that the stage will be failed. So let me go to the SonarQube and go to under administration, and here click on webhook and create a webhook. So here I'm going to give the webhook name Jenkins webhook, and here copy this URL and put it here. So secret not required, so I'll go with the default one. Okay, so now we have created the webhook. So once we have created the webhook, next we will add the SonarQube server in the Jenkins. So for that, go to the Jenkins. Okay, manage Jenkins under system. Search for SonarQube server. So here we have provided the SonarQube server URL, and this is the token that I have already created. So in the previous session, we have generated the token, and that token we have set up in the Jenkins. So once this is set up, then let us modify the Jenkins file. So here we are directly exposing the token in the Jenkins file. So instead of that, we will be using the with SonarQube env option, so that we don't want to expose these directly here, and that includes the SonarQube URL as well. So we will be removing these two. Okay, so here, so to get that syntax, you can also go to the any one of the job, and here using the pipeline syntax, there will be an option called with SonarQube env, and here you can select the server authentication and click on generate snippet. So this will give the syntax which we can use it in the Jenkins file. So with SonarQube env credentials sonar and then the block. So let me go to the VS Code. So here with SonarQube env, okay, so this is the name we have provided, as you can see, SonarQube, which includes the server URL and server token as well. So next we will use the quality gate so that it will report the status back to Jenkins. Okay, so here there is an option wait for quality gate, and here you can use this. So here, if we use the abort pipeline and if we set it to true, then it will send back the status back to Jenkins, and then it will mark the build as a failed. So if you see the example here, wait for quality gate and abort the pipeline if the SonarQube analysis is failed. Okay, and we can also set the timeout based on the unit for hours or minutes, and so that the pipeline will not be, for waiting for long time. Okay, so let me go to the Jenkins. So we have added the with SonarQube, and we'll also add the timeout here. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so we have updated the timeout to 10 minutes, and now we are using the with SonarQube ENV that we have set up under the Manage Jenkins system. And we have also removed the token that we have directly exposed here, including the URL. So now if you go to the Manage Jenkins and system, okay, here you can see the SonarQube installation. This is the name, and this is the SonarQube URL, and this is the token that we have created. And this token contains the secret text that includes the value from the token that we have generated from the SonarQube. So now let me run this job. Also, as you can see here, we have added wait for quality gate. And if the SonarQube status failed, then it will abort the pipeline. So previously it was passing the pipeline, and now it will set to fail if the SonarQube analysis getting failed. So now let me go here and run the node version project. Click on build now. Okay, now build 24 is running. Okay, now it is running on SonarQube analysis. Okay, now you can see that the build is, set failed, and here the quality gate is saying error. So that means if the quality gate is failed, then this stage will marked as a failed. So pipeline aborted due to the quality gate failure error. So if we go to the SonarQube and go to the projects and a simple solar system, so here you can see that this stage is set to fail. Okay, so because the overall code coverage required is above 80%, but as you can see here, it is 0% coverage. Since this quality gate is failed, it is sending the status back to Jenkins using the webhook that we have configured, and then it is marking this build as a failed. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.